Hello and very warm welcome to Tips and Tricks. It's me, your host Nishaam Limbu, and you can watch us every morning from 9 AM to 10 AM on one and only MTH Channel. यस कार्यक्रममा हामीले तपाईहरुलाई 4 वटा फ्यासन टिप्स र 4 वटा हेल्थ टिप्सहरु दिने गर्छौं जुन तपाईले आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा युज गरेर हेल्दी एन्ड फ्यासनेबल बन्न सक्नुहुने भन्ने विश्वास हामीले गरेका छौं र यसै विश्वासको साथ हजुरको लागि आजको हाम्रो फर्स्ट फ्यासन टिप्स रहेको छ एक्सेसरिज. Accessories should always be your friend because not only it's always on trend but it also adds taste to your look and completes it. Tips number 2. Pointed shoes. Every girl must have pointed shoes to their collection because it looks classy and as well as gives edge to your look. Tips number 3. Develop your signature style. Figure out your go-to foolproof looks so you know your own style better and you can work easy with it while buying dresses and while going out for events. But while going out for events, you must always follow the theme of the event. Then you can add your taste to that outfit. Also, while buying clothes for yourself, if you start questioning yourself about that outfit, then it's better not to go with that. Rather, buy something that you don't have in your collection and you feel comfortable and confident with. Tips number 4. Must have a classic shirt. Everyone should own a classic shirt, but some pure white shirt may make your teeth look yellow. So, it's upon you to choose your shirts according to your style. You can always go with baby blue, baby pink, dark blue, white, light yellow, or with the beautiful patterns. Shirts can also be worn by tucking it in by all sides or just a half side with a jeans. And also it can be worn with a pencil skirt. Now it's time for a short commercial break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.
Would you like to become a RJ, VJ and TV anchors? Visual editor, sound editor or camera person?
Or you would like to develop your personality and groom yourself?
Come to us. We are Media Training House and Entertainment.
यो छोटो ब्रेक पछि फेरि पनि स्वागत छ हाम्रो कार्यक्रम टिप्स एन्ड ट्रिक्समा विथ मी योर होस्ट निशाम लिम्बू. सो ब्रेक अगाडि हामीले हजुरहरूलाई 4 वटा फ्यासन टिप दियौं र अब पालो रहेको छ हेल्थ टिप्सको. फर्स्ट हेल्थ टिप्स रहेको छ फ्रुट्स. Eating fruits is always good, but eating fruits in the evening will raise the blood sugar level and the digestive system. So avoid eating fruits in the evening. Tips number 2. Stay positive. Always remind yourself of the things that you are grateful for, because after that you won't take things for granted and everything will eventually work out when you're optimistic. Tips number 3. Eat nuts. Eating nuts is always good for your body and for your diet plan. Despite of being very high in fats, nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They are loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, fiber and various other nutrients. Studies demonstrate that it can help to lose weight and may fight 2 types of diabetes and heart disease. Tips number 4. Avoid eating junk food. Avoid eating junk food and eat real food instead. Junk food is incredibly unhealthy. These foods have been engineered to trigger your pleasure centers, so they trick your brain into overeating and even promotes food addiction in some people. They are usually low in fiber, protein, micronutrients, but high in unhealthy ingredients like added sugar and refined grain. Thus, they provide mostly empty calories. आजको कार्यक्रमको समय लगभग सकिने लागेको छ. आजको कार्यक्रममा हामीले हजुरहरूलाई 4 वटा फ्यासन टिप्स र 4 वटा हेल्थ टिप्सहरु दियौं. हामी भोलि फेरि यही समयमा यही च्यानलमा नयाँ आवश्यक र इन्ट्रेस्टिङ फ्यासन टिप्स र हेल्थ टिप्सका साथ हजुरहरूको माझ उपस्थित हुने नै छौं. त्यतिन्जेलसम्मको लागि म निशाम लिम्बुलाई बिदा दिनुहोस्. स्टे ह्यापी, स्टे हेल्दी. बाइ बाइ.